Let's explore.
For the last couple of days, we've been staying with my brother in Lismore and basing all of our adventures around leaving from there. So in this video, we thought we would show you some places that we are about to discover close to Lismore that might not necessarily always be on the tourist route. Arriving at Callum Falls and Immigrant Creek. This is looking down on the falls.
We'll see how deep it is, then we'll determine if we can jump. It looks like this is going to be sort of like rushing out.
Now we're going to go and check it out from the bottom. Yeah. Macadamia nut trees everywhere. We've gone past hundreds and thousands of them. The Macadamia Castle has an animal park, a shop, and a great facade and a kiosk or cafe. So lots to do, bit gimmicky, but still pleasant stop. And get a tasting.
These are warm, but I think it's nice.
Yeah.
Just to eat hot.
What's a castle without a night? I did see one of these guys standing up on the highway somewhere. What have you got, Phil?
Cinnamon, honey roasted macadamias. Mmm.
They're warm.
Nice. Mmm. They're warm. Mmm. You want one? No.
Oh!
You don't want one. You want to try one, dear?
My turn. Yep. We can share. Cinnamon's got a really nice afterkick.
Mmm.
This is the Victoria Park Reserve. I'm going to go for a walk through the rainforest on the boardwalk. I'm doing this walk on my own today because Phil hurt his knee going down to the waterfall, which we showed you earlier in this video. As you can see, boardwalk's just a little bit above the forest floor. It's about 4:30 in the afternoon. The sun's dappling through and it's quite pleasant. It's quite pretty. My brother suggested this would be a good place to come for a walk. Took us about 20 minutes to get here from his place, and it's just out of Lismore. And it's Victoria Park Reserve. It's a national parks park. Check out the height of that tree. They're all so tall and straight. As with lots of national parks places, lots of information boards throughout the walk to help you enjoy and get to know what you're looking at. This giant tree has been slowly strangled by the other trees around it. But how tall is that tree? On a lot of these little notice boards, they give you the relevance to the local Aboriginal nations around here, and they're the Darragan people. And these fig trees that are strangling this other tree, they actually use their leaves to polish wooden tools. Hey, that bird, he has been calling since I got in here. Hasn't stopped at all. Granted, I didn't take the walk slow, but it probably took me less than 10 minutes to make my way around the boardwalk. Within the national park, there's toilets, a couple of picnic tables, a barbecue, just a really, really nice space. When you go away, what are some of the things that you like to do? Do you prefer to sit by the beach, explore newfound different local delicacies like our Macadamia Castle, or do you like to explore the bush and stuff around? I'd love to know in the comments below. We hope you enjoyed our little bit of an extra wander around the region of Lismore, Ballina and all that region. If you did, why not hit the like button, hit the subscribe button and ring that little bell, and you'll be notified of our upcoming videos. There's still plenty more of our Northern New South Wales road trip to come. As always, thanks for joining us. Travel brilliantly. Bye. If you liked what you saw today and you want to see more, check out the playlist above or find us on social.